Go carefully.
Anna, say hello. Hello. What is your name, baby? And Anaisha. Anna, say loud. Say loudly. Anna, baby, say loudly.
Don't plug this.
Yeah, baby.
Come. Don't plug this.
I know.
I am plugging this.
Do you want to see cow?
Anna, baby, see. Anna, where we are?
Hello.
Hello, you are saying hello. Say loud, baby.
Where you are, baby? Hello, baby.
Where you are?
Where you are, baby? Where we are? In the jungle. Say loudly, baby.
Say loudly, baby.
Say loudly, baby. What is this? What is this? Yes. But what is this?
This is leaf.
This is leaf.
What is this?
It's leaf.
Okay, come here.
Come here, baby. Come. Don't eat it. This is dirty.
No, leave it.
Where are you going, baby? To the jungle. What is here, baby? Here is the jungle.
Here are many trees. Eh?
Many trees. Here are many trees. Okay, baby. What is here in the jungle? Is here any animal? Yes.
Which animal?
Baby goat animal. Where is baby goat animal, Anna?
How do lion roar?
How do lion roar, baby? Okay. Anna, turn. Come back.
Down here.
Baby, tell me, how many animals are here, baby? Baby?
Anna, tell me.
What are you doing, Anna? Are you playing?
Are you playing with this? Oh,
You fall down,
baby.
Tell me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, jump.
Jump.
Okay.
Anna, do jump. Anna, do jump.
Anna, where are you going, baby? Don't go there. Where are you going? What?
Anna,
Anna,
what is this?
This is butterfly.
Wait. What is that, baby? Butterfly. Okay, wow. Thank you so much. Anna, where we are? In the jungle.
Which is your
Turn
favorite?
back. Anna, turn back. What are you doing there? What? Take this. Give me. Thank you so much.
Anna,
Anna?
come here. Baby, here is baby goat.
Where is baby goat? Anna, which animal do you like most? Baby goat. Okay, do you want to see baby goat? You come here. Listen. Do you want to see baby goat? Where is baby goat? Show me. There. But why do you like baby goat most? Anna? Oh,
You fall down, baby.
Anna fell down.
Anna,
It's okay. Nothing to worry. Yes, baby? Hello, baby. Anu, talk with mama.
Anna, tell me which is your favorite animal?
Yes, baby. What happened? What happened, baby? No, nothing? Okay.
Anna, which is your
What, baby? Mom, do you want mom? Do you want water? Do you want drinking water? Drinking water. Anna wants drinking water. Okay, let's go to drink water. Okay? Wait.
Anna, plug this. Plug this. Oh, you plug this leaf.
Anna, where we are going? What do you want to see? Anna, where is tree? Show me tree. There. Okay. Show me tree. Anna, that is branch of tree. What? Branch of tree, yes. And go properly. Where you are going, Anna? Toward Tubu Didi. Huh, Mama is coming with you. What? Yes, Mama is coming with you. Do you want to come with me? Where do you want to go? Toward Tubu Didi.
You jump from here, no? No. Okay, I'm coming. Wait. I'm just.
Anna?
I'm feeling so scary. Yeah, so come here. Oh. No, don't, baby. Baby. There is so many. Here are so many ants. Jump. Yes. You go there. You go there. You want to go there?
Where Anna is going?
Where are you going, baby?
Don't go there, Babu.
Inside. I'm going inside. Come.
No, don't go with Anna. No, don't go there. Don't go inside.
And don't go with them. See? Tuputri is there. See? Oh.
What is here, baby?
You go.
Yes, here is animals. Animals. How many animals are here, baby? How many animals are here, Anna? Anna, what is here? What is this? This is wood.
And a sit here.
Sit here. Good. Sit with Didi.
Sit here, baby.
Ah, good. Sit properly.
Where you are sitting? On the branch of tree. We are in the branch of tree, baby. On.
On the branch. Yes.
Baby, which is your favorite animal?
Chalky animal.
See, there are many birds. See flying in the sky. You like bird, baby? Yes, you like bird. In the sky.
Where are-
in the sky?
In the sky.
Yes.
And show me sparrow. Where is sparrow? Where sparrow is flying? No, there is not sparrow.
There is. See, there is.
There.
Sparrow.
Okay.
Anna, you want this? Take it.
What is that? Wood.
Yes. No, you don't. You did not want. Okay, it's okay. Anna, tell me the name of animals. Anna, tell me the name of animals. Lion, tiger, monkey, and
Look at me and tell me.
look to Mama and tell her. You want to sit? You are sitting.
Lion and monkey and
How do monkey laugh?
how
How
do
do monkey laugh, baby? Anna, act like monkey. Act like monkey. No, dance like monkey, baby. Dance like monkey. Dance at the dance.
Dance.
Do dance. Do dance.
same like monkey?
Do dance. You are doing dance, baby. Yes. Dance. Acha.
Huh.
Yes.
Properly.
Don't.
Huh. Sit properly.
Sit properly, baby, here. Anna, how do lion roar? Ha! How do lion roar? Ha! How do lion roar? Ha!
Good.
Yes.
How do lion do, baby? When lion roar? So take me.
You want to come in my? Oh, here is so many mosquitoes, baby.
Anna, what are you doing there on the wood? Do you want to sit there? Do you want to stand there? Okay.
Anna,
Okay.
which is your favorite animal? Stand here. Anna, which is your favorite animal? Which is your favorite animal, baby? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me which is your favorite animal. Yeah, I'm sitting here.
हाँ, sit with Tubu Didi and Chahat Didi. Good, very good.
Which is your favorite animal, baby? Tell me.
Is baby goat? Is baby goat do you like most? Which animal do you like most? But why do you like baby goat, baby? Why?
Because it is soft.
Anna say.
Because it is soft. And because it is cute. Because it is cute.
Why, baby? Anna, show me your face.
Here are many ants. See,
What is here, Anna?
Ants.
Ants.
And
Show me,
they are
Anna, show me where. Small. Okay.
See, they are taking their food.
And you show me one tree. Where is tree?
Anna, where's tree, Anu? Baby, where's tree? There are many trees.
Tubu Didi, help to Anna
We
to
are
show to
climbing
tree.
a tree. See, I am climbing.
That is wood.
Me.
What happened, Anna? Mosquito. Mosquito bite you.
Anna.
Show me where mosquito bite you. Where? हाँ. Tubu Didi, help to Anna.
You go there and help to Anna. Okay. I am coming, baby. Ah! Aja.
She will get hurt. Please hold her.
Don't play with slippers, baby. Anna, don't climb, baby. You fall down and you get hurt. You will fall down, baby. Cat Didi is climbing on the tree. Yes, baby. You don't climb. What you are doing?
What is your name, Anna?
Plucking leaves. Don't pluck. Anna, you like this? What is your name, baby? What is your name, baby? Anaisha Pantone.
Repeat it. Anna, what is your name? Anaisha Pantone. Okay, baby, how old are you?
See, there are many trees. See, how old are you? Come here, baby, come. Anu, how old are you? Anna, where is tree? Anna, where is tree? There, yes, there are so many trees. Come, baby, come. In which city you are living?
Oh, it's okay. Nothing to worry. हाँ, nothing to worry.
It's okay, come. Here are many trees. See, here are many trees. Can I climb on tree? Yes. Yes. He is climbing on trees. Watch, baby. I'm climbing. I can try. There is pig.
What is there, Anna? Pig. What is there? Show me. Where is pig? Anna, show me. There. Oh my God. And
Come, baby, come. Anna, tell me, please. Which animal you like more? Don't go there, baby. There are so many pigs. Come, baby, come. Don't go there now. Okay. Anna, where is Tubu Didi? There. Anna, here is coming echo like that. Here. See, here. You say loud. Here. Say loud, my baby. Do you like jungle safari, baby? Yes, my Anna likes jungle safari. Oh, you get hungry. Anna,
here is butterfly. See, Anna.
Anna, here
Wow.
is butterfly. Wow, so beautiful.
So beautiful butterfly.
Anna, you like butterfly?
Anna, come and see. Wow.
Anna is watching butterfly.
Anna.
What are
See?
you doing, baby? Climbing. Yes, climbing.
She is enjoying very much.
Climb on this tree.
What?
Enjoying.
She is enjoying very much.
Anna, you like safari? Yes. But don't there are so many things.
Anu, there is kidnapper baby. Don't go there. What? What is there?
Wow, there is dog. Come, see.
Do you want to see dog? Show me where is dog.
Puppy dog. No. Puppy is going there.
Mama, this puppy going there.
What baby?
Mama, this puppy going there.
Mama, see puppy is going there.
Puppy is going there. Yes. You are saying right, baby. See, Tubu Didi is climbing. Come.
Go and see. Go fast. Okay. Anna, let's go to home. Hello, baby. Do you want to talk with mama? Talk. What are you saying? Hello. And then after hello, what you will say?
चाहत में यहाँ पे चढ़ गई।
Anu,
चाहत सी।
ask to your friends. Anna, how are you?
He's climbing.
Who is climbing on the tree? What?
Tubu Didi is climbing on the tree. You are saying Tubu Didi is climbing on the tree? Yeah, I know. Pig is dirty. So dirty.
Let's go to home. Anna, let's go to home. Dirty.
Dirty? Yes.
Anna, let's go to home, baby.
Dirty.
Dirty things. Where is dirty things? Show me. Garbage. Where is garbage? Where are garbage? Here. Oh, see dirty garbage. Hmm? What, baby? Dirty things. Okay. Don't go toward dirty things. Okay? Say okay, mama.
Don't go there, baby. Come.
Huh.
Come with me.
Come here.
Come. Anna. Oh. Come, baby.
Where Anna is going right now? Sorry, wait.
We are going in our home.
We are going to our
Oh, here are my
home.
see.
Come.
Come, baby.
What happened?
Jump.
Anna, show me one tree. Where is tree? There. Touch to tree. Go. Touch to tree. Show me tree. Where is tree? Here. Okay. It's okay. Mama touch to tree. Okay, Mama is good. Mama is touching. Yes, Mama touched.
Yes. Come. You.
Let's go to home.
Let's go to home. Come with us. You like jungle safari? And say loud, baby. Say loudly. You like jungle safari? Where we are going, Anu? In our home. Yes. Say yes.
Okay, say bye to jungle. Okay, it's okay. Nothing to worry. Say bye to jungle, Anna.
Say bye to jungle. Bye.
Say bye jungle. Bye all animals. Wait. Say bye to jungle. Say bye to all animals. Bye animals. Say bye animals. Bye tiger. Bye lion. Bye monkey. Okay, bye.